All right, so you know, I started programming journey once again because it's the future, and not just the future, but it's something I'm passionate about. How do I know I'm passionate about it? I'm passionate about problem solving. I'm passionate about always trying to figure stuff out. I love writing and I love to think. And coding is something that makes you think, right? You just have to be in it. And well, this is not my first time, being in coding. I have I've done some coding when I was still in the university. I started Python, a Python course there, but then I wasn't consistent. Now see what happened. I left the coding for some time, completed my university studies, and then I had other interests. Now it turns out that I'm coming back to my first love, coding. Um, Interestingly, I've done stuff on data analysis, but I don't think it's for me. I don't think it's for me, because I love stuff that I love the market that is not really saturated. I love to do things differently. It's just who I am, It's just who I am, and it's just what I feel would be the best thing for me. Yeah, hopefully. So I'm excited about this coding journey, um, and so far it's been going well. So far, I just hope that I'm gonna stay consistent with it, and I've made the decision that I would stay consistent in it. So I'm excited about this journey, and I like you guys to follow along this journey with me. This journey where I want to make a difference in my life. Now back to NYS. Okay, so I started serving in November 2023, and I, by the time I'm filming this video, this is August, almost August 2023, because we're in July right now, and I feel like I have 3 months left. I need to do something. I chose iOS development because it's a field not so many people are, and I've been able to learn from Naval about the importance of learning specialized knowledge. Um, After my research, after everything, iOS development turned out to be stuff I'm quite interested in, and I looking forward in the long run. It's something I see myself doing, because um, you know I still know that my interest could change with time, but iOS development for now, yes. So yeah, I like to know what you're up to. I like to know um, how you get started in whatever thing you're doing right now. The NYC thing, back to NYC thing. I NYC thing is just that most of us, some of us have our life planned out, and most of the people don't really know what they want to do. So it's crazy out here. It's really crazy. Quarter life crisis as a young adult. You are in your own space. You don't really know what you want to do with your life. You want to try new stuff. You want to try different things because you're not really sure. But my advice to everyone out there is, try different things. Try different things because you might end up having something that would make the entire difference in your life. So back to me. Right now, it's coding, writing, and recording videos. Um, so in 2, 3 years from now, we will look back to this video and be thankful that I started in the first place. So yeah, so this is day three in my coding journey, and back to learning dictionaries. I want to familiarize myself with the entire coding process. I don't have a MacBook, and I need a MacBook to learn iOS development. So I went back to my Python course. Remember when I told you I've learned Python before in university? Yes, I got a Python course on Udemy, and I wasn't consistent with it at the time. So I went back to my Udemy dashboard and I saw that the course is still there. Guess what? I have to, I had to go back to the Python course to familiarize myself with the coding processes. Perhaps by the end of the course, I will learn how to use Python, and at the same time, it will get me ready to know how to start up in iOS development, because iOS development uses Swift programming language, and it can be run. The S code can be run only on iOS, operating system. So, you know, I just want to familiarize myself with the processes and coding. Have one or two projects in Python before I get started with iOS. But then it's a very good one to learn, because no knowledge is a waste. And I'm glad to document my processes here on YouTube. I also did this on TikTok, and I'm also writing this on my Substack and my Medium account. So I like you to join me on this journey. It's a journey of personal development. It's a journey of self-discovery. I'm excited about it, and I need to be on track. So this is day 3 of my journey. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Now, it doesn't hurt to subscribe. Get on this journey with me. Let's get started. Bye for now.
Hello guys. So I just woke up now and I wanna go freshen up. I wanna go, freshen up, and then after having my bait, I just wanna get started for the day. I got my eyes, my face is swollen. Uh, I spent, you know, I spent the night coding. I've been working on Python, trying to refresh my memory, and I love that. And last night I got to the point where I had to learn dictionaries in Python. And so right now, today I'll be starting with something different. I'll be starting with dictionaries. Then I'll be taking my first assessment in Python, um, which would be quite intensive. So I'm excited about this journey, and so I'm just trying as much as possible to document my processes and show you guys how I really started this journey. I understand the fact that it's not gonna be easy, but then I know that one day I'm going to look back to this video and thank myself for never giving up. So, yeah. So, how about you? Do you have anything you want to tell me? Let me know in the comment section. My journey from zero to hero. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So, the first thing I needed to do was to install the Anaconda software, which I needed to access the Jupyter notebook, which I will be using for running the Python code. So it took a lot of time, and this was me just trying as much as possible to spend time, record. That's my younger brother's like. So it took a lot of time to really install. When I checked my, did my Wi-Fi, I saw that it took lots of data to install this. Yeah, that's the name of the course I'm taking, Zero to Hero in Python from Udemy. So yeah, this is me. I was already getting tired, but then I was just there, was trying as much as possible to pass time, you know. So it took a lot of time to install, and I thought it'd be nice to just play around, trying as much as possible to change the color of my lights down to, being a coder, big time coder. So finally, installation complete. Yeah. So I was so excited. This was me. I was so excited that I'm finally getting to start this journey. And yeah. So yeah. So this was me trying as much as possible to start up for the new day. I needed to reboot my system so that I can start with the coding journey. So yeah, I'm so excited. So excited.